This Wednesday will be another extremely hot and uncomfortable day for the western part of the country, with heatwave conditions now up until Friday in parts of the western and eastern Cape. So let's have a look at your forecast. This Wednesday, a reaching high, bringing cloudy conditions and light showers yet again to the eastern part of the country, but berg winds now turning more northwesterly, heating up the northern, western and eastern Cape. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable, so please stay hydrated. There's only a few isolated thunderstorms that can bring some relief to the heat over parts of the Karoo, the central parts of the country, and then light showers for the eastern part of the country. We can see the isolated thunderstorms this Wednesday over parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo, parts of Northwest and the Free State as well as Gauteng, light rain along the eastern escarpment with some light showers in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Over the extreme eastern part of the country, we are expecting a cloudy day, therefore you'll have a poor PV harvest on your solar panels, but over the extreme southwestern part, you'll have excellent performance. It will be a very hot and windy day over the western interior, therefore the Weather Service is warning against runway fires over big parts of the northern, western and eastern Cape, so please be careful in those areas. Strong easterly winds still blowing along the eastern coast, but light winds now in the mother city, with light southerly winds in the lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. But in the Western Cape, quickly heating up due to those berg wind conditions, with temperatures expected in the upper 30s and soaring to 40 degrees this afternoon in Klein Willem. Light winds in the mother city with a scorching 35 degrees. It will be extremely hot and uncomfortable, so please stay hydrated. Don't leave your children or pets unattended in a hot car. Warm to hot along the southern coast with easterly winds blowing strong, but extremely hot in the Karoo with 39 in the afternoon in Beaufort West, and heatwave conditions persisting up until Friday in those areas. Isolated thunderstorms possible in the vicinity of Aliwal North, with isolated showers still possible in the vicinity of Port St. John's. In KwaZulu-Natal, this onshore flow of air can still bring some isolated showers to the province. Temperatures here in the mid to upper 20s with 27 in the afternoon in Newcastle and Richards Bay. In Mpumalanga, light showers still possible around the eastern escarpment with isolated thunderstorms in the vicinity of Secunda and Standerton. Temperatures in the mid to upper 20s with 28 in the afternoon in Secunda, and cloudy conditions expected in the lowveld of Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo, with some light showers along the eastern escarpment and isolated thunderstorms in the vicinity of Thabazimbi and Balabala. In Northwest, we are expecting isolated thunderstorms from the afternoon, but it will be extremely hot with temperatures above 30, 33 in the afternoon in Vryburg, 34 in Taung. In the Northern Cape, extremely hot and uncomfortable conditions expected with temperatures in the upper 30s, 37 in the afternoon in Calvinia and Springbok. Only isolated thunderstorms possible over the extreme eastern part of the province. In the Free State, a very hot day in Bloemfontein with 33 in the afternoon there. Only isolated thunderstorms possible from the afternoon. In Gauteng, it will be very hot with temperatures in the upper 20s, 29 in the afternoon in Pretoria, and isolated thunderstorms from the afternoon. On Thursday, similar conditions expected with isolated thunderstorms over the central and eastern parts of the country, but another extremely hot day in parts of the western and eastern Cape, with heatwave conditions persisting up until Friday in those areas. 39 in the afternoon in Graaff-Reinet, cooler now along the southern coast with 23 in George, but yet again isolated thunderstorms possible over the central and eastern part of the country, with Pretoria reaching a high of 32. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage Zero Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.